Okay, let's continue. So we need to find the equation of the cosine function. We can either find the equation of the right side up cosine or the upside down cosine. Alright, we're going to look at the blue one. We're going to find the equation of the blue one. That's the upside down cosine. Automatically, you know it's got to be negative because it's upside down. We know that it's got to have the amplitude, which is 2 in our case. Cosine, something to do with the k. The k value is affected by the period. So we need to find the k value. So the period is 120 degrees. That is equal to 1 over k times 360, or 360 over k. That value for k is going to be equal to 3. 360 divided by 3 is equal to 120 degrees. In terms of a sine function, you would have to make the sine function move so that it was translated to give you a sine function of left 30 degrees from the y-axis. Alright, next question. Example number 2. Determine the phase shift, vertical shift, amplitude, and period of each of the following. So we have these two equations here. What I want you to do is try and determine these values. Alright? Based on everything we have up until now, you should be able to determine the values. Stop the video now and try this. Okay, go ahead. Alright, we're back. Find the values of A, K, D, and C. Remember, A stands for the amplitude, K affects the period, D affects the phase shift, and C affects the vertical shift. You find out that A is equal to 4, which the period is equal to 360 times a half, which is 360 over 2, which is 180 degrees. It moves right 60 and up 2. The second one, don't forget to take the coefficient of x away from both terms inside the bracket, and then you find the values. The amplitude is 3, the period is 1 over 2 flipped, which is 2 times 360, which is 720 degrees. Phase shift of plus 60, so you don't have to necessarily write 60, but you could write the word right or the symbol plus. So for vertical shift, again, the same thing. If you write the word here, you must have the word here. So I use plus 60 here and plus 1, or I could have used the word right 60, and then, okay, you could have written plus 60 or right 60 or up and up 1, or plus 60 and plus 1. All right, next one. All right. That would be the end of it. So those are the two values. This is what you're looking for. Hopefully this makes sense. All right. Have a good night.